Bay Area Christmas Tree Farm is bringing holiday joy to families even after experiencing some damage from this year's hurricanes.
News Channel 8's Brianna Villegas takes us to Ergle Christmas Tree Farm in Dade City.
This is considered the oldest Christmas tree farm in the Sunshine State, and we have been through a lot these past few months. So the owner says there was no doubt in his mind about opening up this year. These are the daily sights and sounds of Ergle Christmas Tree Farm.
Everybody's happy this year. I don't know what's going on, but everybody's in a good mood.
A Dade City gem owned by Tony and Debbie Harris.
They do smell good, don't they?
Tony says they're lucky to be open.
The fragrance is what you want when you walk in the house and you smell the tree and you're like, it is Christmas.
After this year's hurricanes damaged some of the greenhouses and caused flooding.
I had to canoe for 4 weeks. So we've got quite a few trees that are dying, but we're going to replant everything.
He's talking about the cut-your-own Christmas trees that he grows. The farm's also known for selling Fraser firs from up north.
We've been here 34 years and we had our trees ordered already. And I called North Carolina to be sure that we were going to be able to get our trees. He said, I will have your trees. And that's when I was like, thank you, Lord.
This is the type of tree longtime customer Rick Mackford usually gets.
It gives us a lot of appreciation for what people do to make the holidays great. I'm going to say Tony and Debbie accentuate that, and they build on that and make it even better. So that's why we come back almost every year.
It's customers like this
Thank you.
that helped make it an easy decision for the owners.
Be happy and thankful for what you have, not for what you don't have.
To keep running this gem just like it has for decades.
And it's good to see everyone happy, you know, and that's what my business is about.
Ergle Christmas Tree Farm is open every single day starting at 9 a.m. through 7 p.m. In Dade City, I'm Brianna Villegas, 8 on your side.
There's some beautiful trees up there too, don't
Really
they?
pretty, yeah.